Hey, we are xEpan.org and today we will share the knowledge on how to create a website using xEpan. Firstly, download our software from xEpan.org. For downloading, subscribe yourself using your email ID. Till the time it's getting download, let me brief you about the platform requirements. You require PHP 5.3 plus and MySQL 5.0 plus. Next, select the downloaded zip file and copy it to the root directory. Now, extract this zipped file and rename it with your project's name. Now, in your browser window, in the address bar, type localhost / the project's name. You can see that the browser is unable to connect. This is because you need to turn on Apache and MySQL server. After turning these on, reload the current page. This will move you to the xEpan CMS installer page. The first thing you need to do here is create your database. Now fill the information about the database you have. In the admin settings, fill in your username and password. Validate when done. In step 2, enter the email information. Either you can leave it blank for further use. In step 3, complete the company's basic detail and update to go next. Congratulations, your xEpan CMS is installed successfully. Now you can either view your site or go to the admin panel. For opening the admin page anytime, this URL can be used. To start with the design phase, click on Go to Admin Panel. Select xEpan templates and click Edit Template. This will redirect you to the Edit Templates page. Enable Show Border to view border of every dropped and dragged element and Easy Drop option to give extra space inside the droppable item. Now go to Page Properties, select Basic Properties. In Google Fonts tab, select any font and change the font size as per your requirement. Now go to Menus. Select and drag Bootstrap menus and drop in the web page. Now give a suitable title to your website. Double click on the Bootstrap menu and change the properties. Add Bootstrap CSS class template. To receive links in your menu bar, click Get Pages. If you want to show partition between the company's name and the links, you can change the components width as per your requirement. Next, click on Elements in the toolbar. Drag and drop a row to the content area. Next, drop a column inside this row and change its span to 5. Now we drag and drop another column to the same row and change its span to 7. Next, drag a simple image in the column having span 7. Double click on the image. In the options menu, select and now double click on the selected image to open it in the content area. Drag and drop the row to this column. Next, drag and drop another column to this row. Drag and drop a simple text to the column and edit the text. Now apply the CSS properties to this column. Change the font size. And change the span size of the column to 6. Another interesting feature in xEpan is that you can cut, copy and paste any dropped application module or element. Like select this particular row and press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy. Next, select the element where you want the copied element to be pasted and press Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Press F1 to go to Help menu. Here you can see all the shortcut keys available. Next, in the pasted column, edit the properties and text if you need. In the similar way, you can create more nested elements and edit them. If we need a simple text placed above this row, drag and drop a simple text to this column and edit your text. Next, we drag a simple text and drop in the web page, edit the text, apply CSS properties and change the background color. Editing template is complete. Next we begin with editing our home page. There are two ways to begin with live editing your pages. Firstly, you can begin live edit your page from here. And secondly, from xEpan pages in CMS admin panel. Currently we are at the live edit mode of our home page. By double clicking on any element, no CSS options menu appears. This is because everything here belongs to the template and we are currently editing our home page. Next step is to drag and drop a container in the main content area. Then a simple text and edit the text. Now we drop a row and a column successively. Inside this column, drop a simple image and edit the image. We are creating this in the same way as we earlier created our template. If we need this content just above the footer of our page, move to Edit Template, drag and drop the content above the footer. Note that applying this template to any page will shift the content of that page at this spot. Now moving back to the live edit of home page, we can see here that the content of our page has shifted. Now our home page looks better and we move to editing our next page, which is the contacts page. Drag and drop a container to the main content area. Next, drop an HTML block in the container. This element helps you to add your own HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery code to the page. For example, if you want Google Maps on your page, paste the code here and update. You can see Google Maps has appeared here. We also need an inquiry form on this page. This CMS already has an inquiry form application. You only need to drag and drop it to your page. Now drag and drop a row and a column. Next, drag and drop a custom form from Enquiry and Subscriptions tool. This is a server-side component. All the custom fields that you require here can be added either from the Installed Applications tab in your admin panel or directly from here. Click on Add Forms. Fill in these fields and add. You can create multiple forms here, with each form having multiple fields like checkbox, drop-down, text captcha, etc. Next, add fields and add the custom fields. Here, add the field's name, type, and its validation. Click on Save. You can add up as many fields as you want. We've added up few fields. Close this dialog box and save. Double-click on Custom Form and Enquiry Form. Select the form to be displayed. After save and reload, you can view your custom enquiry form. By adding a simple text, you can add your company's details. To send and receive emails through your website, go to Dashboard. If you are logged in or login and proceed, there click xEpan General Settings, configure it, and update. Now our contacts page is also complete and we move to edit our blogs page. To write a blog, we need blogging application. In this CMS, we provide you with a blogging application named xShop. This single tool can be used as a blogging tool, e-commerce, and product listing. This application has many tools. For blogging, we require category, product which will be used as a blog, and its details which will work as blog details. Now working on drag and drop a container followed by a column and a row. Drag and drop category tool of xShop application. Save and reload. This error message says we have to add categories. For this, go to server side. Adding categories can be done either from the admin panel or directly from here. Next, add category group. Click on category and add category. Fill in category name, description, and click add. Here you can define multiple category groups having multiple categories. After adding multiple categories, close dialog, save and reload. Again we see the same error. Double click on it and select the layout categories. Select the layout, category, group and subpage name. Subpage name directs us to the page where we have dropped the xShop's product tool. Save and reload to view the changes. For blogs, we drag and drop product tool of xShop application on the same page. Save and reload. This message says we haven't yet added product in the category or the category group is not selected. This too is a server-side component. This time we'll add the blocks from the admin panel. Click on Dashboard, Installed Applications, Execute xShop application. Now products. Here our products can be added as your product details and select options according to your requirements. Click on Add. Now choose to which categories your block belongs. Here you can select the categories. Add images and custom fields if required. Now redirect yourself to the blogs page. Now double click and go to options. Here select product, layout, category group, and so on according to your choice. Save and reload. We've added few more blocks and these can be visualized here. If suppose we need to replace this image by a slideshow, this image belongs to the template portion. Go to Edit Template. Enable Show Border and Easy Drop options. Double click on the image and remove it. Go to Slideshow. Drag and drop Awesome slider. Double click to go server side. Add gallery, fill in the options and add. Now add images to this gallery. Select the options to be added to these images. In the similar way, add more images. Close the dialog box. Double click, select gallery and themes. And finally save and reload the page. Then save and move to home page. Now we create a new page to view details of these blocks and then go to live edit of the created page. Next, drag and drop a container. Now drag and drop product detail of xShop application. Save and reload the page. Going to the blogs page, double click on the product. In item details subpage, add the name of the page where the elements of the product details will be dropped. Save again and reload the page. Click on More button to view details. You can here see the detailed blog. If you wish to enable the comment system, then simply register on discuss.com and paste the given code in the application settings. Now log out from the admin panel. Let's view all the pages that we have created. This is the home page. Now the blogs page and the contacts page.